Hi guys, Darren from venomfluidart. Thank you so much for joining me today on the Fluidart Express. Up first, you would have seen Taslima from Taslima Maya Art. After me, we've got Kristey from Creations by Kristey, Shannon from ShanB Fluid Art. Bubbles has got the week off this week, so it'll be Tony and Kat from the Hippy Dippy Painter Man. So stay on board and enjoy the ride. Alright, so what I figured I'd do today is just hit the record button and have a play. And see what we come up with.
To my card, I know what it costs. Yeah, I put in the work that you don't. Day after day, I work and I play. Yeah, I'll do all the things that you won't. Even when my feet get tired, I will keep on moving higher. I'm the story you don't speak of. I'm the one they call the underdog. Cause every time the push comes to shove, I'm climbing over you to reach the top. Cause I want everything and nothing at all. Yeah, I want everything and nothing at all. Cause I want everything and nothing, nothing at all. Don't care what you think, what you believe, cause I'm gonna turn the world upside down. If you want a shot, just step in the ring. Yeah, I'ma shake your bones like thunder. Even when my feet get tired, I will keep on moving higher. I'm the story you don't speak of. I'm the one they call the underdog. Every time the push comes to shove, I'm climbing over you to reach the top. Cause I want everything and nothing at all. Yeah, I want everything and nothing at all. Cause I want everything and nothing at all. I don't want nothing at all unless I can have it all. I don't want nothing at all. I don't want nothing at all unless I can have it all. Nothing at all. I'm not the favorite son, but I'm the one who's been here all along. Cause every time the push comes to shove, I'm climbing over you to reach the top. Cause I want everything and nothing at all. Yeah, I want everything and nothing at all. Cause I want everything and nothing at all. I don't want nothing at all unless I can have it all. I don't want nothing at all. I'm focused. I've been watching for the omens. I've been listening to everything you said. It's been running through my head, locked and loaded. I got the feeling that you know it. Yeah, I've only just begun. I won't stop until it's done, till you're broken. So welcome to the fire. I'm the one with the lighter. Feel it burning through your veins as we're walking through the flames, getting higher. So welcome to the fire. Welcome to the fire. Feel it burning through your veins as we're walking through the flames, getting higher. So welcome to the fire. I've been waiting for this moment, the final battle of the chosen. See, I'm never gonna quit, got my legacy set in motion. So welcome to the fire. I'm the one with the lighter. Feel it burning through your veins as we're walking through the flames, getting higher. So welcome to the fire. Welcome to the fire. Feel it burning through your veins as we're walking through the flames, getting higher. Welcome to the fire. Welcome to the fire. 'Cause the bigger they are, the harder they fall. You build your fortress and I'll climb your walls. You got your armor, but I see your flaws. So welcome to the fire. I'm the one with the lighter. Feel it burning through your veins as we're walking through the flames, getting higher. So welcome to the fire. Welcome to the fire. Feel it burning through your veins as we're walking through the flames, getting higher. Bigger they are, the harder they fall. We've been hiding in the shadows. We've been biding our time. We've been running from the devil, just trying to make it out alive. We don't have to run, be afraid no more. When the thunder comes, we won't fear the storm. Can you hear the drums beating louder than before? This means war. Feel it raging inside. We don't run from the battle, we run straight to the fight. This means war. This means war. Feel it rising up within us, getting stronger now. No one left to avenge us, but we will never back down. We don't have to run, be afraid no more. When the thunder comes, we won't fear the storm. Can you hear the drums beating louder than before? This means war. Feel it raging inside. We don't run from the battle, we run straight to the fight. This means war. This means war. Oh, 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 how the mighty have
I'll do a flyover of that one. How cool did that turn out? I love it. This one here, we did a version of it on Saturday in Australia, Friday night for you guys over in America. And Bubbles actually wanted to see what it would be like with CELL Activator around the outside edges of the little radial that's done with just interference colours. So, here it is, Bubbles. That turned out awesome. Love it. Alright guys, if you like that, hit like, share and subscribe. Ring the notification bell. Ding ding. You know the rest. Up next we've got Kristey from Creations by Kristey. So click on the name and the title of this video. It'll take you to a channel. If you're in the live chat, just click the link that I put in there. Or if you're a member of Paint Pouring by venomfluidart on Facebook, use the play all list that I put in there each and every week. That way you can't get lost. Alright guys, that's it from me. So have fun, take care, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.